Welcome to the ProfitGPT Quantitative Rebalancing Report for August 15, 2026. Let's review today's report agenda. Here is our report outline. We will cover macroeconomic environment, sentiment screening results, portfolio rebalancing adjustments, technical entry targets, and strategy backtest metrics. Starting with macroeconomic context, as of August 15, 2026, U.S. gross domestic product grew at an annualized 1.6% rate. CPI inflation trends remain closely watched as the Federal Reserve maintains a data-dependent policy stance near 5.5%. Sector rotation favors cash-generative market leaders. Reviewing index technicals, the S&P 500 is consolidating around 7,400, with horizontal support at 7,350. The Nasdaq Composite remains supported by AI infrastructure spending, while elevated yields prompt selective rotations into quality names. Moving to sentiment leaders, ADP exhibits strong bullish momentum with institutional volume accumulation at $272.96. PCAR also ranks high in our screen, backed by robust revenue guidance and analyst upgrades. For solid growth holdings, DXCM holds constructively above its 50-day average of $76.11. NVDA shows positive institutional cash flows, and AVGO provides reliable balance sheet diversification. Conversely, HWM faces momentum headwinds and overhead resistance. RCL is impacted by sector margin pressures, and GE shows multiple compression as short-term momentum flags. Before revealing buy targets, subscribe to catch every weekly update. We are liquidating positions in HWM, RCL, GE to eliminate holding drag and recycle capital into high-alpha candidates. We maintain core high-conviction holds in ADP, PCAR, DXCM, minimizing portfolio turnover and capturing primary upward trends above moving average support. We initiate new buy entries in top-ranked candidates including ANNT, OAK, PH, allocating 9% per position to capture strong institutional momentum. Reviewing entry windows, ADP presents a favorable entry at $272.96. PCAR trades in a supportive zone, while DXCM RSI at 67.4 suggests setting limit orders near support. Our portfolio weights allocate 9% across 10 holdings with a 10% cash reserve. Structured stop-loss at 8% and take profit at 18% enforce strict risk discipline. From May 22 to August 15, 2026, our ProfitGPT strategy achieved a cumulative return of 3.60% versus QQQ's 2.00%, generating 1.60% active alpha with a Sharpe ratio of 1.01 and max drawdown of -5.95%.